Hi, my crafty friends. This is Gina Lovato here with another crafty idea. Today we're going to be using the crepe papers, not for rosettes, but we're going to make tiny bows, as you see here. And for this project, you're going to need your glue, a pair of scissors, and crepe paper, obviously. And what I did here is make me a little small template, and this is only 2 inches wide, and the length doesn't matter. I cut my crepe paper at 11 inches in the length, and then you're going to need another piece of paper that's 2 inches in the length, similar like this. So what you're going to do when you're starting you're going to want to make your center, and this is what this is for this part of the bow. And you're just going to fold it as thick as the bow center you want it. I make mine small, and just kind of glue on this part. And just set that aside. With this strip, you're going to want to get your template and just wrap it around your template. And just like that. And just slide it off. With this little leftover doodad, I just cut mine off. And then you're going to want to fold this in half. Don't pull on it because you'll stretch it out. Just fold it in half and press it. You know how crepe paper is. Then bring this flap that you folded down, bring it up and press it to your fold. And the same with the other side. Bring it up to the fold and press. And then you'll have a little W. Okay? Then you're going to turn around and just add a little bit of glue and hold them down. And then get your glue, kind of get in the middle, and with your little piece, just press it in and fold it around. And wrap it. Okay? This is tissue. Remember that. On the ends, just cut off a little bit, like so. And just start unraveling it. Peel them apart. It reminds me when we was a kid. I don't think they do them anymore. I haven't been to a wedding in I don't know how long. We would decorate the cars with little flowers, in the colors of the wedding. And this is how we'd make the flowers and decorate all the cars, the wedding parties. With crepe paper, we would make flowers, but we'd use the Kleenex to make the flowers for all the wedding parties' cars. So when they get done getting hitched, they would cruise around town behind the wedding, the couple, honking the horns. I don't see that no more. Not like I used to. Excuse me. And there you got a little bow. Just play with it, y'all. Make it as fluffy as you want it. Let's make another one. I just got it on my mat. It's nice today. Cool down. We had a lot of rainstorms yesterday, so tornadoes. I gotta go back outside and finish my job. Picking up sticks and branches. A little cool out there, windy. Not that bad. That almost wrapped the whole thing. Didn't it? I'm not even gonna worry about that. Yeah, we would do these to the wedding group. My family is very large. And they'd throw a shing-ding. They throw a shing-ding. I haven't seen no weddings this year. Well, due to everything else going on. I don't think anybody's doing anything. Talked to some friends and asked them, hey, they starting to do anything at the schools? And they go, no, they haven't called. I have a feeling they're going to do it at the end, the very last minute. I said, nothing usual about that. Everything at the last minute. And there's my TV. I forgot all about it. I'm going to get back in that yard. Oops, I came in Daniel. My little center. Yes, it came undone. OMG. You need to get back in here. Guess I'll hold it. I have a paper clip or something. I usually do. Not today. Oh, I know why. I used them all, the little ones. I'm doing my sequence mix. Put them in the little bags. Look, y'all. You can make them as fluffy as you want. You know? Just play with it. That's all I do. Play with them. Ta-da! So, you know what I'm going to be doing tonight? I'm going to be doing some little bows. Get them ready. Package them up real cute. And save them for these giveaways. Or these challenges. Everybody's challenging. Birthdays. All that. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'd like to thank you for watching. And this concludes this video. Y'all be safe out there. And don't forget to be kind to one another. Bye now.